So, here's the back. Yeah, just dig it in. Once I got out of that hole, I'm going through this snow pretty easy. I don't know how much snow there is here, 6-8 inches, but I got it in. 4-wheel low, the locker's in. So let's go up here and turn around. See. Transmission temp starting out at 159. We're gonna go up the hill. This time at low range. I'll just keep the locker engaged. Might be sliding around the corner a little bit before we get into the snow. And we're on gravel, so it shouldn't be a big problem. We can go up here and get back in the snow. Here in just, I don't know, maybe a mile or two up the road. Still have the check engine light on. Okay, we haven't come up the road maybe a quarter of a mile. We're starting to get in the snow. Transmission temps up to 165. We're still in low range. Locker's in. We're in snow mode, so let's see what this thing likes. It seems like it's like to stay in 4th gear. I'm not putting it in manual mode for the transmission. I'm just letting it find its own gear, but we're coming on up. So we'll check in on that temp again in a few minutes. Snow's getting a little deeper. I'm trying to stay out of the track, so we're kind of breaking new ground. We're slipping a little bit, but temperature of the transmission still 165. Going uphill, same route we took when we were in high range. Check in a few minutes. Transmission temp still 165. We're headed up this steeper part. Making it okay. Slipping. Got to keep my foot out of it so we don't dig in. Trying to stay out of my. This has been a couple hours since we've been up here and it's been snowing, so. Oh, there's some deer. There's a deer. See the deer? Oh, there's some. There they are. Okay, dang it. Let's see if we can get started now. Okay, no problem. We'll start right back up. Headed uphill. Saw some deer. Kind of bouncy. I think it snowed at least a few inches since we were up here last time. I'm staying out of my old tracks, but we're making it. Trying to stay out of my old tracks at least. Like we're having a harder time since the snow's a little deeper. We're gonna make it. Up. Tricking up now. It's our temp. Transmission temp's up to 170. It's running a lot cooler than it was when we were in high range. Seems like it wants to stay at 4th. Looks like it's about time to put chains on. Okay. Let's see if we make it up this. Stay on my tracks. Keeps getting steeper. Not really having a problem. Still at 170, headed uphill. I think I'm going up this a little faster than I was last time. Starting to, snow's deeper, we're starting to lose a little traction. There's a steep part. Yeah, transmission temp's climbing, it's 176, we're almost to the top. So 100, what was it? And we're at the top again. Whoa, let's get sideways. Whoa! Yeah, it snowed quite a bit up here since we were here last. Those are our tracks. It snowed good 3 or 4 inches, so weighed it up. Again, no chains. 4-wheel low with the locker on. Transmission temp 100, and well, it's dropping fast. 170 now. It was maxed out about 176. So